What's up, you guys? It's Kristen Hancher back at it again with another YouTube video. Also, if you guys can hear like screaming downstairs, like that, my friends are being hella fucking loud downstairs. They're filming an Instagram comedy skit, so yeah. As you guys know, I wear wigs every single fucking day because my hair was bleached off and half of it was like this short and it was just like not cute. I'm kind of obsessed with wigs, so I literally like so yeah, I got this wig. It was super expensive, but it wasn't the color like I wanted, so I literally dyed it myself.
I dyed this.
Obsessed, but besides the point, I thought I'd show you guys how I style my wigs and all that ish. So today's video is a sponsored video. I've teamed up with Foxy Bay. Hold up. Ooh. Ah. Oh. They've sent me some dope ass curling irons and a lot of them too. I can honestly say this is the best sponsorship I could get. The curling iron that I'm using currently sucks ass. It's literally this ratchet ass curling iron I got for like $20. It does not work well, so we can just do that. I pre-opened the box and I was shook. It literally comes with 7 different curling wands and the handle. So now I have a curling wand for any type of look I want to do, any curl I want to do. And this is really cool for me because I like to try different things and different looks, and I wasn't able to do that with my one ratchet ass curling iron. And I can also use multiple barrels on one look to create depth and different layers, which will be super duper cool. For their wands, they use titanium, which makes your curls really long lasting. Even if you're not using these wands to style a wig, but your actual hair, these curls will hold because of the titanium. I've never tried these yet. I'm really excited to, so I guess this is gonna be like a first look unboxing tutorial type of video, and yeah, we'll just get right into it. Apparently you can preheat it to different settings, so it can go up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit and the lowest is 250 degrees Fahrenheit. I think that's super important, and not a lot of curling irons have that ability, especially because I'm wearing a wig. They get damaged a lot easier, so I'm gonna go on kind of like a medium setting because it is thick and it is human hair, so I'm gonna do a medium setting. But this is good for people who have like thin hair and don't want to like fry out their hair. They can put it on a lower setting, or if you have thick and coarse hair, you can put it up to a higher setting and it'll actually hold the curl. So that is super cool. Now I'm gonna part it, and I'm just gonna do the bottom half first. Bitch. This is also a lifesaver. They have like this like glove thingy so you don't burn your hands.
Thank you, Foxy Bay. Appreciate it.
I chose this one. It's like not too big, not too small, but just right. And I kind of want to just do like regular jugular curls. I don't want it to be like super loose, but I also don't want it to be super tight. That's what she said. So I'm just gonna wrap it around.
Close your eyes and think about
Bitch. I look like Khaleesi.
This? Look over. Maybe I'm overreacting, but like I'm actually should. Also, a trick I've learned is to curl away from your face, so it kind of like opens it up and like did. I don't know how to explain it, but like it looks better. Take my word for it.
Like, damn. Okay, girl. Okay.
Comment below your opinion. Do you like it better curly or straight? Because as of now, I'm not even done yet. But like as of now, I think it looks better curly. You know what I'm gonna do? Oh no! I need your opinion. Does this look like a wig? Even though I've been wearing wigs for a couple months now, I've never looked up like a tutorial on like how to like properly style a wig, or how to make a wig look realistic, or how to apply a wig. So I've just been kind of winging it. And I think this is like the best job I've ever done on like making it look realistic. Like I tweezed it myself, I dyed it and all that shit. But some of my wigs, like I'm looking back on my old IG pics and shit, and like it's not cute. Some of them are just like so bad. Like there's like no hairline. You can see the damn wig cap. Let me know, did I do a good job on this wig? I think I did, but maybe I'm being a little biased, who knows? If you wanna see pics of me with this hairdo, follow my IG, it's Kristen Hancher. It's my main like social app, and I post like 2 to 3 times a day because I genuinely like love Instagram. So if you guys want to give me a follow on there, that would be appreciated. Okay, so I just finished curling that section, and this is the last section, but so far so good. Alright guys, this is the last curl. Hallelujah. Okay, hold up.
Hold up, wait.
It looks really dope right now, but I want to make it better. So I have like this olive oil nourishing sheen spray infused with coconut oil. Oh my god, it smells so good. Living my best life. Anyways guys, this is the final product. I'm really happy with it, and even though this is a sponsored video, I am super happy that I was able to sponsor this brand. Like genuinely, these are fucking dope, not gonna lie. Like you can tell it's good, it's poppin'. And Foxy Bae was literally so sweet. They offered me a discount code for you guys for any of their hot tools. So if you're interested in getting any of their hot tool products, the discount code is Foxy Kristen for 60% off at checkout. Thank you so much for watching. That's the end of this video. But I'm going to be posting every Saturday, and I know I say I'm gonna post every Saturday, every single freaking time, but this time I actually am. Please leave a comment below if you want to see me do different hairstyles with my wig, or wig collection, that could be cool too, or back to school clothing haul, anything. If you guys have a cool video idea for me to film, just let me know in the comments. Let me know, girl. Leave a like under this video. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you on Saturday. I promise. Bye guys.